Mamaya pa kayo. Mauna muna sila. Ihatid natin sila muna.
Yeah.
Dahil, okay, we will take you to your car.
Can I hold it?
Yeah. That's you, you're taking yourself.
Let's go. What's good, vlog?
What are you doing? Taking picture. He's gonna put on his
Yeah.
channel.
Yes. Is this like exposing where he lives?
Yeah. Oh.
What does it look like?
He's an influencer. 0.5.
You on that beat?
On the beat. On the beat. Now slide. Drop. Hit the floor. No stop. Hey.
Don't stop. Hey. Don't stop. Hey. Run on that beat. Run on that beat. Run on that. Beat now, do your dance, do your dance, do your dance. Bye guys. Bye. Oh, thank you.
Good.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye-bye. Okay. May sila naman may ang lalakad daw. Wala nang ano. Do you want to bring some water? That's empty.
Oh no, I got two.
You got two, but
Okay.
okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. 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 You will see this tonight. I will upload this.
You edit that?
I don't know how to edit. You see?
right.
No intro, no edit.
Okay.
Whatever you have there. Yeah, whatever
What
you
if you
see.
just like send it to
Where
us?
does I give you?
Huh? Oh, it's in my bag.
Yeah, okay. I'll say hello to your dad and Elijah and Becca. Becca absent, no?
Yeah.
So only gating. Alak, ano mo yung wiper? It's dirty, oh. Ganun mo.
I know it's so dusty there.
Wala na nalimutan, no?
Wala na, nabuya ko yung manok.
May ano, text. Yeah.
Anong may ano?
Nalimutan ko na naman, Catherine pala. Ang liit na sasakyan nila, no? Sabi mo kay Catherine, text me when you arrive. Ano yan?
Kasi daw yung license plate.
Oh, ano? Ano nangyari sa license plate?
So don't post videos that show your license plate or your home address.
Wala naman yan. Hindi ko naman kinunan, ah.
Oh, I know. She's just saying.
Oh.
You only post your vacation and then.
Oh, yeah. Tabi, nakapost lahat. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Ano pang ano?
Si daddy mo nga sabi ko, wag mo ako kukuhanan ng ano. Minsan nakalagay din ang sabi ko eh.
That's throughout the world, me. Once they put you in YouTube, throughout the world,
that's
yeah.
why I didn't want it.
Exactly. May get out there because. Oh. Okay, bye bye. Oh, wait. Hawakan mo ito. Hindi ko nabigyan si si Becca. Hindi ko nabigyan ng ano.
Oo nga. Rebecca yung unang nag-birthday.
Oo nga, ito si Victoria. Victoria.
Next month pa si Victoria.
Umutang kong
What you call that? Oh, mayroon pang cake si ano, kahit di. si Rebecca.
Nalilimutan ko yung mga pangalan. Si Becca.
Mayroong panggig si Rebecca dahil hindi tayo.
Yeah.
Nung July siya nag-birthday.
Yeah, okay.